Hello traders, welcome back to Pips Traders YouTube channel. Thank you for your continuous support to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Today in this video, we are going to be doing technical analysis in gold. I'll be doing analysis in different time frames and will be sharing you the support and resistance levels. Please use these levels as a reference to enter and exit in your trades. Please do not enter into the trade in the mid of the support or resistance levels. Enter into the trade only when the price action tests the support or resistance levels. We have a dedicated Telegram group for our subscribers. You can use the link placed in the description section for joining our groups. Just to let you know, we do not provide call services or account management services. This group is only meant to share ideas, technical analysis ideas, and get feedbacks on your analysis. Let us start with the analysis. I am in daily time frame now. When we look at the price action, it is still trading within a symmetric triangle pattern and it is a range bound market for now, and the trading ranges are becoming narrower and narrower. Soon we can expect a directional breakout, and I am expecting a bullish directional breakout. And when we look at the yesterday's price action, as I had informed in my earlier video, the price action has taken a trend reversal from the 1834 level and it is on a retracement. I said that it is trying to replicate the same price action which was done here, and the first part has been completed. You can notice that this part is completed and now it is forming this portion of the price action. So we can expect the price action go up, test this level, and it has already tested. Now it is on the retracement. Take a support on the level of 1790 and then retrace back. Again retest on the level of 1834 or the range between 1813 and 1834. Then we can expect the trend reversal and retracement to the bearish side. Since the price action is trading within a symmetric triangle, we could expect it to take support on the level of 1768. So currently also you can notice a green candle over here. I am expecting it to go up to here, test this level of 1813, and if it manages to break this level, we can expect a further bullish run and to test this level of 1834. If it doesn't manage to break this level, we can expect a further fall in this currency pair, because we already know that it is forming a head and shoulder pattern. So it is in the process of completing this head and shoulder pattern. Let us do the analysis in hourly time frame. I am in hourly time frame now. Here when we notice the price action closely, it is trading very nicely within a channel pattern. It is very well respected this resistance line of the channel pattern, and it has retraced 100% to the support line of the channel pattern. And when we notice a channel pattern, it is a bullish channel pattern. So since it has taken support on this support line of the channel pattern, we can expect the market to trend on the bullish side and retest on the resistance line of the channel pattern. Currently it is also forming a bullish candle, so we can expect the bullish run to continue. The first resistance from the higher time frame is going to be around 1814. When it manages to break this level, we can expect a further bullish run and test the next level of resistance, which is around 1834. If it doesn't manage to break this level, we can expect a bearish trend reversal and take support on this bullish channel pattern. Only when it breaks this support level of the channel pattern, we can expect a bearish trend reversal. Currently it is trading within a bullish channel pattern. I am expecting the bullish run to continue. When we notice the price action also, it was in a very nice bullish run and has given a breakout from this trend line. My advice to all the trader is, please draw a trend line like this, the green color line, and wait for the price action to test on this trend line. Then when we notice a trend reversal, like this was a red candle, and you can notice that this is a green candle and next candle is a green candle. So we know that the trend reversal has happened. Please enter the market at this candle. not at this level where it is testing the trend line. Then you can go on a bullish side, and you need to have enough space to go on a bullish side also. Immediately we have the next level of resistance. So I will not enter into the trade in this area, whereas I will enter into the trade at this level where there is support level also, and it is a bullish trend overall. So I will enter into the trade at this level and wait for it to test this resistance level of the channel pattern. I will close my trade. So you have to know the entry point and exit point when you are entering into the trade. And remember to put proper stop loss. If the trend reversal happens also, you don't have to worry about going in a big loss. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in hourly time frame. Currently the market has taken support on the channel pattern of the hourly time frame, and it is in a bullish run. I am in 30 minutes time frame now. Here you can notice that the current price action is in a very nice bullish run. The first level of resistance is at 1814, and if it manages to break this resistance, we can expect a further bullish run and test this resistance level of 1834. Only if it breaks this level, we can expect a further bullish run, but I am expecting a trend reversal at this point and retracement to happen. Let us mark the support and resistance levels for 30 minutes time frame. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 30 minutes time frame. Currently the market is in a bullish trend. Please draw a trend line like this and decide on your entry and exit, and enter on a support or resistance level. Don't enter into the trade in the mid of the support and resistance levels. Let us do the analysis in 5 minutes time frame. I am in 5 minutes time frame now. As explained in the hourly time frame also, the price action was in a very nice downtrend and has taken support on the channel pattern support level. And when I draw a trend line and check the trend of the market, it is still in a very nice bullish trend. As long as the price doesn't break this support level of the channel pattern, we can expect the bullish trend to continue. Let us mark the support and resistance levels. So these are all the support and resistance levels in 5 minutes time frame. And currently the market is in a very nice bullish trend. The current price action is going up, retracing, again going up and retracing. So whenever the price touches this support level, you can still re-enter into the trade. Thank you for watching this video. If you have found this video useful, press that like button.